our dual drain boards with sink for our dishwashers. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have 60 inches in length. 60 inches applies to the left and right drain board. We have a depth of 30 inches and a height of 44 inches tall. Minus the splash, we have 37 inches tall. Depth and height applies to the left and right drain boards. Measurements for the right drain board. Overall length, we have 58 inches in length by 26 inches depth. Measurements for the left drain board, we have 32 inches in length, 26 inches in depth. For the interior sink, measurements will include 20 inches in length, 20 inches in depth, 5 inches in height. Included will be the strainer, along with the swivel head faucet. Measurements for the faucet spout will be 8 inches, with the left and right mounts also 8 inches. Please note that the left and right drain boards on each leg will be cut to height and will match the height for the dishwasher. So the left legs along with the right legs will be cut to the matching height for the interior of the dishwasher. Left and right will be clips to insert the drain boards onto the interior of the dishwasher. So the front end of the left and right drain boards will have clips that will be inserted onto the lip of the dishwasher. And included are the NSF stickers located to the left and right drain boards. Please note that this is a demonstration for the left and right drain boards, and again will be cut to the matching height to go along with the dishwasher. For more information on this product, visit our website or give us a call so we can assist. Thank you.